Hey whirlpool, just doing some looking around, and I actually got a few questions for you. Why does your base model washing machine has a more heavier duty wash pump than your high-end, supposedly high performance, high-end washing machine? Is it because this one is a little bit older and you want cheaper, or you was hoping that we didn't notice? Here's this one, much heavier. Claims that it uses 60 watts. Got a bigger core in it. Pretty heavy. Small core. Uses less watts. This is, besides I accidentally drop it, is, because how heavy it is, it's super easy to replace. Just snaps in. Well, I have to finesse this whole thing out just to be able to rotate it out. But that's beside the point. I just want to know why the base model kind of washing machine that you can get from like a Mana or your whirlpool name has a heavier duty wash pump than supposedly your high quality name brand whirlpool.